Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing the two-piece sets from Temu. This is one of it, and I have the other one that I'm going to be reviewing, and I want to share with you all as usual. Either I receive or I purchase, I always want to tell you my honest review about this product, and I'm going to be showing you the close shot of each item that I'm going to be featuring for you all to see how the tailoring looks like, if they are neat or not, if it's worth your coins or not. Before we jump right into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. On this channel, we're all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. Please do let me know which one is your favorite among these two outfits. There are two pieces that I'm going to be featuring, and I'm going to see how I can restyle either the bottom or the top. Another way that you could pair it with whatever you already own in the house. You don't have to go purchase here and there all the time. You can mix and match, and it's just going to turn out looking like a brand new or looking like a different outfit entirely. That's all about me. That's my mission, to save you all the coins that you can save as much as you can, like I've been saving like forever. Anyway, ladies, let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section. So let's see the first outfit, which is this red outfit that I'm featuring on the screen right now. This outfit has a peplum style. They are in two steps. I don't know why they use the inner part of it as pink to hold the clip, which the outfit is red. I feel like they should have used a red material, because you might not be able to see it, but if you're very close to it, you will see it. I just don't like that about the top. Aside from that, I will encourage you to go size down, because I usually wear small, but I'm wearing extra small in this material. And the reason why I chose that is because I've experienced before, when they sent me some item, the pants was a little bit bigger even though it was small. So I read the material is polyester, and I decided to pick size extra small, which I am loving. It fit me perfectly. If you want, you can do size small. If you want to do size medium, or you want to do your regular size, you can. But there's a certain way I like my outfit to look on me, so that's why I decided to pick that size. So I'm just letting you know that what I'm wearing right now is extra small. All right, so let's move on with the detailing on the top. It's well tailored. I didn't see a lot of thread here and there, to be honest with you. I had to clip like one or two thread away from the tailoring, but the way they finish it actually look really good. And the color is red. It might not be like a red because of the light, but it's red and it's really beautiful. All right, I love the way they did the peplum. They're in two styles. You have to wear something under if you're the one that you are very conscious of showing too much of your skin. I recommend you wear something like a camisole inside. But if you're the type that want to flaunt what your mama gave you, you can go ahead and just wear it like that. All right, that was how the model that I saw on their website before I picked this side, that was how I saw her wore it. She wore it without anything under. Who am I to judge? That's her style, and this is my style. All right, anyway, let's move on to the pants. The pant has an elastic band on the waist. It's a pencil style kind of a skinny pants. That's what I meant to say, a skinny pants. It's stretchy as well. Remember, this is extra small. It is neatly made. I didn't have to clip any thread away from the pants. I only clipped thread away from the top. I'm going to go ahead and show you what the outfits look on me and how I'm going to restyle either the top or the bottom for us to get the value for our money. Let's jump it right into this style. So ladies, I decided to switch off my wig because I feel the other one is going to be too much for me to switch between my outfits, and I don't want to delay myself in this video because I have other things I have to do for the rest of the day. So I switch up the wig. All right, I love the wig. I don't know if you have seen the review. It's from Love Me and I love it, but it's not practical for me right now. All right, so I have to switch it up. All right, so this is the whole outfit is looking like this, and I paired with a white shoe because I really wanted to kind of go well with my camisole and my earrings. All right, I am not going to be doing a lot of talking in this video because this styling video, I feel like they are self-explanatory, except somebody just wanted to share with you the brand, then they probably will talk about it. But most of the time I feel like styling video doesn't need to be too long, and it doesn't need too much of explanation because it's very self-explanatory. You can just see what the person is doing in the video. That's just my opinion. But if I feel like there's something I need to share with you all during my styling, of course I will pause in between and just briefly chip in what I have to say, then move on with the styling. All right, ladies.
Beats Entertainment. Hey yo, coach, do I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives in the gold because it's sent from heaven. I wanna be the one who you believe in your heart is sent from heaven. There's a piece of me who lives in the gold because it's sent from. She got her own thing, that's why he loves her. Miss Independent, would you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing, that's why he loves her. Miss Independent, all the way you shine. Miss Independent, yeah. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you, I'll always have you. Mr. DJ song on the replay.
Okay ladies, what I have noticed so far since I've been restyling this top, this particular place doesn't stay put. Like, it's supposed to be like this. You know, when you iron it, it's supposed to be like that. When I ironed it before I started restyling, that was how it was looking, but now it refuses to stay in that place, so it's just looking kind of weird on this side. I just wanted to let you know, just in case you're thinking of buying this. I've told you I do not like this particular thing right here. The pink is showing, that I don't like about the top, and now I found out that this one is not staying where it's supposed to stay to make it look well tailored. All right, so I'm going to continue with my styling. Just wanted to share that with you all.
Mr. DJ, want to turn the music up, or dig up on the dance floor, wanting some more. Come, Mr. DJ, want to turn the music up, ay. Mr. DJ, song on the replay. Mr. DJ, want to turn the music up, or dig up on the dance floor, wanting some more. Come, Mr. DJ, want to turn the music up, ay. It's too late. And
I'm going to move to the second outfit. This one, I would like to let you know, it's transparent, the pants, so you have to wear something under it. It's 33% cotton and the rest is polyester. It's a two set as well. This one is size small. I actually picked my size on this one, and I love that it's not tight on my body. It's very free. It came with a belt. I don't really know if we actually need the belts. If you want to, the pant has belt holes on it. I don't think the pants need a belt because it's elastic already, so I don't know why they included a belt in this, but that's just my opinion. The pant is well made, well tailored. It has two functioning pockets, and the top is just like a crop top, but not that kind of crop top that will reveal your belly button. It's very appropriate, very mature, very classy, and the color, it's very beautiful. I love it, and I love how it feels when I try it on. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how this is looking from my head to toe.
do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy. When you leave, so I can't breathe. Baby girl, you body, you're the way you whine. I demand over you, girl. I demand over you, girl. On the low, on the low, on the low, on the low. Blow my mind, blow my mind. Your body just blow my mind, blow my baby. Blow my mind, blow my mind. You just blow my mind, blow my mind. You know belong for part, wanna feel kata. Malkia falipupa, kwako nimedata. sura changa changa, ngozi yako kopata, shepu mdoli sio zanga, yani so data. I wish you could rewind. Rewind. I wish you could rewind.
Alright ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. I must confess, this is well tailored. Honestly, I cannot fault this material, as in I cannot fault the style as well. It's so beautiful, it's so classy, so matured, even with the color. Alright, this is size small, remember, and this is the end of this video. I really love the way I style it. Even though I just switch up my shoes, you could style the pants with something else, you could style the top with something else. I was just not up to it, to be honest with you all. So ladies, let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please don't forget to have a discount code that you can use to purchase from Temu. I will put it in the link. I will put the link in the description box. Use my discount code so that sis can make some more coins. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.